Hey, what's up, guys? So I wanted to make a real quick video on my countertop. Um, Obviously, I built the countertop a while ago, but it's taken me forever to get to this part. But just got back from North Carolina, visiting some friends and stuff. But anyway, so right here, I'm burning the edge of it because I didn't want it to look like plywood. So I went ahead and stayed with the theme of the burning the wood, like I did on my walls. So I went ahead and burnt the edge to kind of give it some character and stuff like that, which worked out really well. These are the tiles that I used for the countertop. They're vinyl flooring, actually. Um, Basically, what you do is you just, measure them out and you cut them if they overhang, as far as that's concerned. So, obviously, on my countertop, they were overhanging, and so what I had to do was I just scored underneath the bottom of it, made a mark. I just used a utility knife and excuse me, um, just made a mark, just score it, just a thin little line or whatever, so you can trace it, so you can follow it and cut it. So, but anyway, yeah. So I scored it, and then I flipped it over, and I used a pair of scissors to cut it. So here I am on this right here. You can see the score mark. Took the pair of scissors, started making the cut. Um, I guess in hindsight, maybe I should have kept the paper on the back of it, so my finger and everything wasn't sticking to the back. But I mean, it worked out fine. The thing with these self-adhesive tiles and stuff, they're not as good as what you would think. I mean, I had to use an extra some silicone on the bottom of it to help stick it to the plywood. But of course, some of it seeped out in between the cracks and stuff, so I still have to clean that up a little bit. Um, but I mean, I'm happy with it. It is what it is for right now. It's not going to be my permanent countertop. It's just, basically a temporary situation right now. But yeah, you just place them out. You score it if anything's hanging over the edge. Then you turn it around. You cut it. I mean, you could use a utility knife to cut it. I used a pair of scissors. Um, and that's pretty much what it looks like. Which worked out really, really well. I mean, especially when I was burning the edge. I still have that one corner piece to do. Um, but So if you made it this far and you haven't watched any of my other videos, you're probably trying to figure out what in the world is this guy doing. Um, I'm making an RV out of a van. So I live full-time in this van. Sometimes I hook up to shore power. Sometimes I'm boondocking, parking in Walmart or Home Depot or on the side of the road or whatever. But yeah, so go back and check out some of my other videos to see how I got to this part. But there's a lot more videos to come, so subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. If you're into this, like it, comment, ask questions, whatever. Other than that, I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Drive safe.